Welcome to iFixLog web application.
In this video, you'll learn how to predict any log using advanced machine learning algorithms in under 5 minutes.
Let's begin by loading the logs. You can choose either CSV or LARS format.
Check and edit the logs as needed. Here, we'll predict the neutron porosity log. If you make any edits, be sure to save the processed data before moving on.
During exploratory data analysis, you can preview well logs, check histograms, explore correlations, and generate cross-plots. We'll skip this step for now and move to the next one.
Check the guide before starting. First, select the target log. Here, we're using the neutron porosity log as an example. Next, choose the training features, input logs. For best results, run auto-select to identify the top features, then enter them manually.
Recommended features here are gamma ray, p-sonic, share sonic, and deep resistivity logs. Now, select them manually.
Now, select the machine learning models and their hyperparameters. In this example, we'll use linear regression, random forest, and KNN. Then, train the models. Navigate to Results and Validation. For each model, examine the correlation coefficient and visually compare the predicted log with the original log to assess accuracy. The Model Comparison dashboard lets you compare performance metrics across models. Now it's time to apply the trained models to predict the neutron porosity log in a new well. Load the new well data and ensure it contains the same logs with the same names as those used in the training well.
Click Predict Properties to generate the neutron porosity log using the 3 machine learning models. Review the results, then download the predicted logs in CSV format. You can stop here or continue to the next step to generate an automatic PDF report. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.